In this video, I'll be showing you how to back up all data on Android before factory reset. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually super simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do this on pretty much any one you have. So all you want to do is once you're on your homepage is go ahead and swipe down on the top right, because you're going to have to go ahead and find your settings. Now, once you swipe down on the top right, you're going to see your control panel. On the top right, you're going to see the wheel cog icon. So just go ahead and click on that. Once you're here, you're going to be brought to your settings. Go ahead and scroll down towards the bottom and you're going to see general management as one of the options, which I have highlighted right here. Go ahead and click on it. Then from here, go ahead and scroll down again. Now you're going to see reset as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to have a few options, right? So you can go ahead and reset anything you want. You can reset all settings, mobile network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, or even just accessibility settings. Or at the very bottom, you can reset your phone to the factory level. So it's going to be basically as good as new. But firstly, what you're going to have to do is make sure you have a cloud backup. So you can do a temporary cloud backup where you can back up unlimited data to the Samsung cloud, or you can do an external storage backup. So what you can do is, like, if you don't have a USB or an SD card, we can just do temporary cloud backup. And then what we can do is update the backup. So what we're going to do is press update right here. It's going to be searching your entire phone for data to back up. So that's applications, contacts, photos, and videos. Pretty much anything you have, even like when it comes down to your downloads or anything like that, it's going to see all of this stuff. So you're going to see backup right here. So it's going to show you everything that you could go ahead and back up. And then from here, all you got to go ahead and do is select everything you want. So we can just go ahead and select everything and then just press update backup. It's going to ask you if you want to update to a backup to a secure folder, but then it's going to say preparing to backup data. And then you can really just do anything you want here. And then after that, once you do this backup, it's going to allow you to reset your phone. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it.